Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Electronics Virtual Lab. In last lecture, we have covered the binary to gray code converter. Okay, so in today's lecture, we will discuss and we will try to simulate the gray to binary conversion with the help of NAND gates only. Okay, so first of all, we will try to understand that how gray codes, or you can say gray bits, is converted into binary bits, and then with the help of NAND gates we will try to simulate this converter. Okay, so in the theory portion of this experiment list you can see that the gray to binary conversion. Okay, so this is the theory, this is the circuit diagram with the help of XOR gates, and this is the truth table. Okay, so these are the gray codes. So this is basically a 4-bit G3, G2, G1, G0 4-bit gray code, and this is a B3, B2, B1, B0, that is 4-bit binary output. Okay, so the expression for B0, B1, B2, B3 is like this. The XOR operation between two different inputs like Z0 XOR G1 XOR G2 XOR Z3. Okay, so we have already covered that what is the requirement of gray code, where we generally use these gray codes. We generally used in KMAP for the simplification, or you can say for the designing of combinational circuits. So, so let's take a simple example of 4-bit gray code, that is 1101. Okay, so the procedure is, or the process to conversion of gray code to binary. First, copy the most significant bit. Okay, so it is equal to, or you can say the same as the most significant bit of gray code. So we can write here 1. Okay, now we have to apply XOR gate in cross section area, in cross way. Okay, so earlier we have converted our binary code into gray code by taking the simple side by side XOR gate operation. But here we have to take the XOR gate operation between these two bits in the cross way manner. Okay, so according to XOR gate, if both bits are same 1 1, then the output will be 0. So again, XOR operation between 0 0, so this is equal to 0, and then again 1 XOR operation between 0 1, that is equal to 1. So I have taken the same example that I have discussed earlier in the case of binary to gray. So at that time the example or the bits were 1001 and the code was 1101. So here, if my gray code is 1101, so the binary output should be equal to B3, B2, B1, B0, and that is equal to 1001. Okay, so this is basically the conversion of gray to binary bits. Okay, if I am implementing my this converter, code converter, with the help of XOR gate, so this will be the circuit diagram. The G0 XOR B1, G1 XOR B2, G2 XOR B3, and G3 is equal to B3. Okay, now we will simulate with the help of gray to binary simulator. So just click on the simulation button. In last lecture we have discussed binary to gray code converter, so just click on gray to binary code converter. This is the circuit diagram of gray to binary converter. On the left hand side there is a list of instructions which we have to follow for the simulation of this circuit. First of all, we have to connect a battery that is of 5 volt, then two switches. The green color is representing the on state of the switch, and the red color is representing the off state of the switch. Okay, now The input gray code LEDs are G3, G2, G1, G0, and the output binary codes are B3, B2, B1, and B0. Okay, so this G3, G2, G1, G0 are for inputs. B3, B2, B1, B0 are for outputs. Okay, then these are the different states of LED, like the off state, dark gray for input, light gray for output. Okay, so these are the outputs, light gray color. These are the inputs, dark gray color, and red color is showing the on state for the input, and the green color is representing the on state for the output. Okay, now after applying different combinations of input, that as we are converting 4 bits, so it is basically a 4-bit gray to binary converter. There are possible combinations, 16 possible combinations. Okay, so we can apply inputs from 00000 to 1111, and the corresponding outputs we will receive at B3, B2, B1, and B0. So let's apply the input 1. Okay, so first of all connect the battery. Okay, now apply 1 1 0 1. The example that I have discussed earlier, 1101. So the corresponding output will be 1001. Okay, now with the help of this add button, you can add these entries into your truth table. So your input was 1101 and the corresponding output is 1001. Clear? In the same way, you can apply different values for G3, G2, G1, G0, and you can add these inputs and output combinations in your truth table. Okay, so this is basically the simulation of gray to binary converter using NAND gates. The most of the theory portion I have already discussed in the previous lecture, the binary to gray converter. So you please refer and go through the previous lecture also, so that the concept of a gray code, the binary to gray conversion, the difference between binary to gray and gray to binary, all these things you can cover or you can understand with the help of these two videos. So in these two lectures we have basically covered the converter portion. Okay, so in the same way you can design some other code converters also, like binary to BCD converter, like BCD to XS3 code converter. That all theory portions we have already covered in our theory classes in digital electronics, or you can say digital system design theory subject. Okay, so I hope you all got my point regarding the implementation of different code converters with the help of NAND gates. So thanks for watching this lecture. Thank you.